Hi, this is a basic video about terminal and text editor on your laptop if you don't want to use Jupyter. And so this is what a Jupyter terminal will look like. This is what a Jupyter text editor will look like. On all computers, I believe you already have the terminal installed, essentially. So for Mac, it's something that looks like this. Again, you can find it in Launchpad, however you want to find it. And again, you can use the same commands. For example, if I ls, it lists out every folder and files that's inside my home directory right now. If I cd into my files, into my folder called desktop, I can use the cd command. And now if I ls, you can see all these things that are on my desktop. Sorry. And I can, of course, use mkdir, make dir, and a bunch of other commands as well. I can also run Python, but if you notice here, it's Python 2.7.10. So for this class, we'll actually need Python 3. And for Jupyter, it's already automatically Python 3. So if you don't have Python 3, and if your computer automatically comes with Python 2.7.10, you will need to install Python 3. And it's pretty easy if you're a Mac user. You just type in Python 3. And you can see all of these websites that allows you to download Python 3. If you're not a Mac user, don't come and ask me because I don't know anything about it. You can ask some of our other wonderful TAs who know a lot more about Windows than I do. Okay, so if you're a Mac user, on the other hand, and you've downloaded Python 3, how you will need to run Python is that you will need to type in Python and add a 3 to it. And now when I type out Python 3 and run it, you can see that it's version 3.5.2. And again, I can just write different Python code in here. And then I'm going to exit it right now. So how would you be able to modify or basically write your code? You can write it on your terminal. For example, if I define a function called a on here, I can say that a returns 5. Now when I run a, it will return 5. But the problem with this is that I can't save this code, right? As soon as I exit, I run Python 3 again, and I try running a, it'll tell me a is not defined. So it's impossible to save on terminals, and that's why you need text editors, where you basically write your code, and then you can run them on your terminal. So Mac comes with a text editor, I believe, that automatically it comes with the text editor, but personally I like using Sublime, which looks like this. And again, all of these text editors, you can find them mostly for free online. So for example, if I type in Sublime Text 3, you can see here that you can download Sublime Text. Some of the other options include Atom, installing Atom, and a bunch of different text editors. And so feel free to explore, but I personally use Sublime. And to use the Sublime, you can see that nothing right now is being color-coded, which is how you will be able to see it in Jupyter. And that is because you have not saved the Sublime file. So I actually need to save it first, save as, and for example, test, remember to add .py to signify that it's a Python file. And now when I save it, something called test.py already exists. So I'm going to call it CS88 test.py. And so now when I save it, you can see that it's being color-coded, which makes it a lot easier for me to read. And I can write like different code to return. You can write different codes on here, and you can write a really long code, and you'll be able to save it and to come to the terminal over here and to run that. And so this is the basic to using a terminal and text editor in your computer.